Destiny, look at Santa showed up. Santa was here. Presents! Merry Christmas! Yeah, say thank Mommy too. And Santa.
Is this Mommy's?
I don't know, it's yours. Thank you for being a good girl, you know that?
Is this yours?
I don't know. Look at Santa ate his cookies. See? He ate them.
Santa ate his cookie.
Yeah. And he wrote you a letter. It says, Dear Destiny, thanks for the cookies, Santa. And the reindeer.
Look at it. Santa brought your teddy bear.
Aww. That's perfect.
Look at this. Aw, the teddy bear loves you.
Aww.
He gave me a new ball too.
Alright. That's cool, man. You got a new ball, yeah, because your other one broke, huh? Your other big ball, remember?
And it has store on it.
Alright.
Honey, do you have store?
Yeah.
I got store too. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
It only goes from the end of the hall, the edge of the wall right there, to like the edge of the chair.
New Care Bears!
So not
Santa
even
gave
like
me
that.
new Care Bears!
Awesome! You got some new Care Bears?
And then you can sing!
Yeah! Those are awesome!
And Santa gave me
Another! Sweet!
And count them. 1, 2, 3.
Good girl! That's perfect.
Where's Mommy?
You want to give Mommy a present? Here's one for Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you.
Alright.
Present. It's for you. It will be the praise. These are for you, for your twist.
Oh. Yes, very nice.
This is for you to put your finger in, see? Put your finger in today.
How about you? You don't want to open any
You
presents?
gonna try one, Destiny? You're very into it. Yay, good girl.
She's so thoughtful. She wants somebody else's birthday before her.
Oh my goodness! Look at that! That is awesome!
Think about you the pink boat you wanted. Pink boat. And it goes fishing. Look at that. It's got a big fishing pole on the back.
And you can use it in the bathtub. Yay! Alright.
Open your present, Dad.
Here's a present for you. It's kind of heavy.
This is yours, Dad.
Ah, thank you very much.
Open your present. Open
Alright.
your present.
Okay. You open one too.
Wait. Do you love it? Do you want me to help you?
Okay.
Oh boy.
All right.
Very excited.
Open the box. Will it be beautiful, Dada?
Ooh. for Mommy.
Thank you.
You automatically going to. Alright. This side, you need those.
What are these for? What are these for, Daddy?
Spin brush.
What are these for?
It's to play with.
That's nice right there.
Is this mine?
Yeah, that was yours.
Sister gave me new ones.
Little trimmers.